In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Outlook for 2025. Whether you're planning a quick team update or a client meeting, Outlook makes scheduling simple and efficient. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Microsoft 365 Outlook login page. If you're using Outlook through your browser, simply enter the URL into your browser's address bar or search for Outlook 365 Login to find the page. Once you see the sign-in page, click on the Sign In button. This will prompt you to input your email address and password, so go ahead and enter your credentials. If you have multi-factor authentication set up, you might need to complete that step as well. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Outlook homepage, familiar to anyone who's spent time with this tool. With access granted, the next step is to head over to your calendar. Look towards the left-hand side of the page where you'll find a navigation pane. Here you'll spot an icon or label for the calendar. Give it a click, and you'll be redirected to the calendar view within Outlook. In Calendar View, you're not only seeing your current schedule, but also an empty slate where you can arrange meetings seamlessly. Now, to schedule a new meeting, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find a button labeled New Event. Clicking on this will open up a new meeting window. Here, the real meat of scheduling begins. In this form, you can fill out all of the key details for your meeting. Start by entering the meeting title at the very top to ensure everyone knows the purpose of the gathering. Next, you'll see fields to input the start and end times. Pick the date and times that best fit your agenda. Remember, if you need to make this meeting recurring, there's an option to do so as well. After setting the time, it's crucial to select the participants. In the Attendees section, enter the email addresses of everyone you'd like to invite. This ensures that your invitees will receive an email invitation with an option to add the event to their own calendars. In the description or notes field, outline any important points or share documents and links that will be necessary for the meeting. This is the perfect spot to outline the agenda or provide background information. Lastly, if required, choose a location for your physical meetings or add a virtual meeting link if your session will be online. Once all the details are entered to your satisfaction, make sure to double-check the invite for any typos or errors. When you're certain everything is accurate, hit the Send button, and Outlook will dispatch your invitations to all selected attendees. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled a meeting in Microsoft Outlook 2025. Tune in next time for more helpful tips and tricks on maximizing your productivity with Microsoft tools.